We are gonna present a conversation about describing institution profile and receiving visitor. Welcome to Medical Center Hospital. How can I help you?
Good morning, my name is Dennis. I want to know more about the medical hospital.
Sure, my name is Saludan Indrawan. What information do you need?
What the exact address to this hospital?
This hospital is located at Legenda Street, number 6, Gotham City.
May I know the qualification about the medical hospital employees?
Sure, our hospital has 30 nurses, 15 doctors, and 3 pharmacists. Our employees are all certified in their respective fields.
I see. I am planning to visit an interview specialist. And how much is cost for one each? I am planning to visit an interview specialist. And how much is cost for each consultation with the doctor?
For the first 3 appointment, the cost start at 950,000 rupees. It's depending on the difficulty of the treatment and it does not include for the medicines.
Thanks for your information. I will come later with the consideration about the appointment with the doctor.
My pleasure. Welcome to Medical Center Hospital. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Kino today for consultation.
Sure. May I know your name for the registration, please?
Yes, sure. The registration is the undername Dennis.
Okay, Ms. Dennis, your name is on the appointment list today. Please sign on this registration book, which are information for the confirmation.
Sure.
Thank you, Ms. Dennis. Dr. Kino is in the internist room number 4. Please wait until we call your name.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. Ms. Dennis, Dr. Kino is available now. Please let me take you to his room.
Thank you.
That's about receiving visitor from us. Thank